Culex mosquito is the vector for West Nile fever, filariasis, Japanese encephalitis. False answer, yellow fever, chikungunya. Mosquito-borne disease, Anopheles, malaria, filaria, Culex, Bancroftian filariasis, Japanese encephalitis, West Nile fever, viral arthritis, Aedes, yellow fever, dengue hemorrhagic fever, chikungunya hemorrhagic fever, Rift Valley fever, filaria, Mansonoids, Malayan filariasis, chikungunya fever. Climate change strategies are: true answer, adaptation, carbon finance. False answer, organizational change, global campaign, holistic interventions. Delayed somatic effects of radiation are: true answer, leukemia, shortening of life. False answer, radiation sickness, point mutation, chromosome mutation. Somatic effect: immediate radiation sickness, acute radiation syndrome, delayed leukemia, shortening of life, carcinogenesis, fetal developmental abnormalities. Genetic: chromosome mutation, point mutation. Arthropods which act as a disease agent are: true answer, mosquito, itch mite, housefly, louse, sandfly. Incomplete metamorphosis occurs in: true answer, tc fly. False answer, mosquito, lice, sandfly, rat flea. Details: metamorphosis complete in mosquito, housefly, sandfly, lice, rat flea. Best indicators of air pollution include: true answer, smoke index, suspended particle index. Best indicators of air pollution include smoke index, suspended particle index. False answer, hydrocarbon concentration, ozone density, lead index. Details: indicators of air pollution, sulfur dioxide, smoke index, suspended materials, dust fall. Indicators of air pollution, sulfur dioxide, smoke index, suspended materials, dust fall. Adult anti-mosquito measures are: genetic control, space spraying. False answer, biological control, chemical control, breeding place elimination. Adult anti-mosquito measures are: genetic control, space spraying. False answer, biological control, chemical control, breeding space elimination. Mosquito control measures, anti-larval measures. এর আন্ডারে environmental, chemical, biological. Anti-adult measures এর আন্ডারে residual spray, space spray, genetic control. Anti-adult measures এর আন্ডারে residual spray, space spray, genetic control. এছাড়া প্রোটেকশন অ্যাগেনস্ট মসকিটো বাইটসের আন্ডারে মসকিটো নেট, স্ক্রিনিং, মসকিটো রিপেলেন্টস। অ্যান্টি অ্যাডাল্ট মেজার্স, রেসিডুয়াল স্প্রে, ডিডিটি, লিন্ডেন, ম্যালাথিয়ন, প্রোপোক্সার। ডিডিটি, লিন্ডেন, ম্যালাথিয়ন, প্রোপোক্সার। স্পেস স্প্রে, জেনেটিক কন্ট্রোল। স্পেসেসপে পাইরেথ্রাম এক্সট্রাক্ট, পাইরেথিন, রেসিডুয়াল ইনসেকটিসাইড, ম্যালাথিয়ন, ফেনিথ্রোথ্রিয়ন। জেনেটিক কন্ট্রোল, স্টেরাইল মেইল টেকনিক, সাইটোপ্লাজমিক ইনকম্প্যাটিবিলিটি, ক্রোমোজোমাল ট্রান্সলোকেশন, সেক্স ডিস্টরশন। মসকুইটো বর্ন ডিজিজেস আর, ট্রু অ্যান্সার, ফাইলেরিয়া, ইয়েলো ফিভার, চিকনগুনিয়া। ফলস অ্যান্সার, কালাজ্বর, ডেজার্ট ফিভার। মসকুইটো বর্ন ডিজিজেস আর, ফাইলেরিয়া, ইয়েলো ফিভার, চিকুনগুনিয়া। ফলস অ্যান্সার, কালাজ্বর, ডেজার্ট ফিভার। Mechanical vectors include, true answer, house fly, cockroach. False answer, mosquito, sand fly, rat flea. Endogenous chemical agents are serum bilirubin, uric acid. False answer, allergens, calcium carbonate, metals. Lead toxicity causes, true answer, wrist drop, blue line on gum, wrist drop, blue line on gum. False answer, fetal toxicity, cancer prostate, melanosis. Clinical feature of lead poisoning or plumbism: abdominal colic, obstinate constipation, loss of appetite, blue line on gum, stripping of the red cells, anemia, wrist drop, foot drop. Central nervous system, insomnia, headache, mental confusion, delirium. Physical quality of drinking water considers turbidity, color, odor. False answer, hardness, presence of E. coli. Physical parameter, turbidity, color, taste, odor, temperature. Gases mostly considered responsible for global warming include, true answer, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide. False answer, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, N2O, some other gases. CMCN দিয়ে মনে রাখা যায়। Effective refuse disposal method for rural community comprises, true answer, dumping, composting, manure pits. False answer, burial, controlled tipping. Methods of disposal: dumping, controlled tipping or sanitary landfill, incineration, composting, manure pits, burial. Dumping, controlled tipping or sanitary landfill, incineration, composting, manure pits, burial. Mechanical vectors include, true answer, housefly, cockroach. False answer, mosquito, sandfly, rat flea. Ozone depleting gases are CFC, CH4. False answer, HNO3, CO, H2S. Ozone depleting gases, carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, N2O, other gases. Ozone depleting gases, CFC, CH4. False answer, HNO3, CO, H2S. Ozone depleting gases, carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, N2O, other gases. Disease caused by Aedes mosquito are, true answer, dengue, filariasis, yellow fever. False answer, oesis, onchocerciasis, iosis, onchocerciasis. Disease caused by Aedes mosquito are: true answer dengue, filariasis, yellow fever. Anopheles, malaria, filaria, Culex, Bancroftian filariasis, Japanese encephalitis, West Nile fever, viral arthritis. Aedes, yellow fever, dengue, dengue hemorrhagic fever, chikungunya hemorrhagic fever, Rift Valley fever, filaria. Mansonoides, Malayan filariasis, chikungunya fever. Arthropods act as disease-causing agent include: true answer louse, mosquito, rat flea, house fly, itch mite. Climate includes: true answer ozone layer depletion, average weather of an area, accumulation of greenhouse gases, general pattern of atmospheric condition. False answer seasonal variation. Hazardous waste are: true answer pathological waste, pesticide. False answer garbage, paper, plastic. Hazardous waste: paint and solvents, automotive waste, used motor oil, antifreeze. Pesticide, insecticide, herbicide, fungicide, mercury containing waste, thermometer, switches, fluorescent lighting. Electronics, computer, television, cell phone. Aerosol, propane cylinder, caustics or cleaning agent, refrigerant containing appliances. Some special batteries, lithium, nickel, cadmium or Barton cell batteries. Ammunition, radioactive waste. Air pollutants include: true answer carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, particulate matter. False answer helium, nitrogen. Air pollutants include: true answer carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, particulate matter. Late effects of radiation are: true answer depressed immunity, genetic mutation, sterility, chronic dermatitis, lymphoma. Greenhouse gases are: true answer CFC, methane. False answer nitric acid gas, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, N2O, some other gases. Effects of dust on lung depends on: true answer threshold limit, fineness, intensity. False answer humidity, molecular weight. Vector-borne diseases are: true answer scabies, leishmaniasis, plague. False answer leprosy, tiniasis. Biomass fuel includes: true answer wood, dung cake, agricultural waste. False answer gas, kerosene. Hardness of water is caused by: true answer calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate. False answer sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid. Causes of hardness: calcium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate. Classification of hardness of water: carbonate hardness or temporary, non-carbonate hardness or permanent, carbonate hardness or temporary, non-carbonate hardness or permanent. Ionizing radiation includes: true answer X-ray, alpha particle, gamma ray. False answer laser, microwave. Ionizing radiation: X-ray, gamma ray, alpha particle, beta particle, electrons and protons. Infective waterborne diseases are: True answer viral hepatitis. Amoebiasis. False answer plumbism, arsenicosis, poliomyelitis. Inorganic dust produce the following diseases. True answer anthracosis, silicosis. False answer bagasosis, bicyanosis, farmer's lung. Infective waterborne diseases are. True answer viral hepatitis, amoebiasis. False answer plumbism, arsenicosis, poliomyelitis. Infective waterborne diseases are. True answer viral hepatitis, amoebiasis. False answer plumbism, arsenicosis, poliomyelitis. Inorganic dust produce the following diseases. True answer anthracosis, silicosis. False answer bagasosis, bicyanosis, farmer's lung. Inorganic dust produce the following diseases. Anthracosis, silicosis. False answer bagasosis, bicyanosis, farmer's lung. Immediate somatic effects of radiation are. True answer radiation sickness, acute radiation syndrome. False answer leukemia, shortening of life, carcinogenesis. Vector-borne diseases are. True answer dengue, kala jar, rabies, Nipah encephalitis, Japanese encephalitis. Vector-borne diseases are dengue, kala jar, rabies, Nipah encephalitis, Japanese encephalitis. By vector. By methods in which vector transmit agent, biting, regurgitation, scratching of infective feces, contamination of host with body fluids of vectors. Following air pollutants are carcinogen. True answer radon. False answer carbon monoxide, calcium chloride, ozone, mercury. Following are the layers of atmosphere. True answer troposphere, stratosphere. False answer inthrosphere, earthosphere, lithosphere. Layers of atmosphere: exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. TMEST. Greenhouse gases are. True answer carbon dioxide, CFC, nitrous oxide. False answer carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. Examples of ionizing radiation are. True answer X-ray, gamma ray, beta particle. False answer laser, microwave. Secondary air pollutants are. False answer. All answers are false. O3, CO, CO2, HNO3, NO2. Highest relative contributors to the greenhouse effect are. True answer carbon dioxide. False answer N2O, CH4, SO2, CFC. Waterborne diseases include. True answer poliomyelitis, dental fluorosis, giardiasis, Wells disease. False answer kala jar. Inorganic dust are. True answer silica, asbestos, coal. False answer cotton, cane fiber. Disease transmitted by Aedes mosquito are. True answer dengue, Rift Valley fever, chikungunya fever. False answer Japanese encephalitis, Q fever. Soil is the reservoir of the following diseases: tetanus, Ankylostomiasis, amoebiasis. False answer poliomyelitis, Nipah encephalitis. Soil is the reservoir of the following diseases: tetanus, ankylostomiasis, amoebiasis. False answer poliomyelitis, Nipah encephalitis. Biological waste are collected in: true answer yellow bag. False answer green bag, blue bag, red bag, black bag. Inorganic pollutants are: true answer fluoride, mercury, sulfur dioxide. False answer plastic, oil. Disposal of waste in hospital is done in the following ways: true answer general waste in black bin, infection solid waste in red bin. False answer recyclable plastic waste in green bin, liquid waste in blue bin, sharp waste in yellow bin. Major greenhouse gases are: true answer carbon dioxide, methane, CFC. False answer helium, smoke. Non-auditory effects of noise on human health are: true answer palpation, fatigue. False answer tinnitus, peptic ulcer, temporary hearing loss. Non-auditory effects: interference with speech, annoyance, efficiency, physiological change. Rise in blood pressure, intracranial pressure, increase in heart rate, breathing, increase in sweating, giddiness, nausea, fatigue. Interference with sleep, visual disturbance, narrowing of pupil, affect color perception and reduce night vision. Depending on the arsenic level in water, tube wells are marked with following colors: red, green. False answer blue, black, white. Blue, black, white. The following are the waterborne disease: true answer typhoid, cholera, diarrhea. False answer diabetes mellitus, tetanus. The following are the waterborne disease: true answer typhoid, cholera, diarrhea. False answer diabetes mellitus, tetanus. Disease transmitted by vectors are: true answer malaria, dengue. False answer anthrax, influenza, chicken pox. The major sources of air pollution in the city are: true answer industry, transportation, refuse disposal, power plant. False answer hospital. The major sources of air pollution in the city are: industry, transportation, refuse disposal, power plant. False answer hospital. Groundwater contaminants is significant in Bangladesh. True answer arsenic. False answer molybdenum, manganese, potassium, fluoride. Greenhouse gases do not include: true answer carbon monoxide, hydrogen. False answer carbon dioxide, methane, ozone. Disease transmitted by fomites are: typhoid fever, hepatitis A, bacillary dysentery. False answer measles, cancer. Disease transmitted by fomites are: true answer diphtheria. Details: diphtheria, typhoid fever, bacillary dysentery, hepatitis A, eye and skin infection. Arsenicosis is non-communicable disease. False answer infectious disease, waterborne disease, autoimmune disease, contagious disease. The following greenhouse gases are contributing to global warming: true answer carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon. False answer nitrogen, halogen. The diseases which are transmitted by mosquito are: True answer dengue, filaria. False answer kala jar, anthrax, bird flu. Bacteriological indicators of water contamination are true answer Clostridium perfringens, fecal streptococci, E. coli. False answer Clostridium tetani, Streptococcus S. typhi. Clostridium tetani S. typhi. Bacteriological indicators coliform organism এর আন্ডারে E. coli, Klebsiella aerogens আর আছে ফিকাল স্ট্রেপ্টোকক্কের আন্ডারে Clostridium perfringens. Smoking may be associated with the following. True answer carcinoma of larynx, lung cancer, esophageal cancer. False answer colon cancer, liver cancer. Sanitary latrines are true answer borehole latrine, septic tank, water seal latrine. False answer shallow trench latrine, deep trench latrine. Sanitary latrine borehole latrine, dug well or pit latrine, water seal latrine, septic tank, aqua privi. ওয়াটার সিলের আন্ডারে PRAI টাইপ, RCA টাইপ, সুলভ শৌচালয়. ল্যাট্রিন সুইটেবল ফর ক্যাম্প অ্যান্ড টেম্পোরারি ইউজ, শ্যালো ট্রেঞ্চ ল্যাট্রিন, ডিপ ট্রেঞ্চ ল্যাট্রিন, পিট ল্যাট্রিন, বোরহোল ল্যাট্রিন. এডিস মস্কুইটো ট্রান্সমিটস. ট্রু অ্যান্সার চিকুনগুনিয়া ফিভার, ডেঙ্গু ফিভার, ইয়েলো ফিভার. ফলস অ্যান্সার ব্যানক্রফটিয়ান ফাইলেরিয়াসিস, Japanese encephalitis. Mosquito transmit the following diseases. True answer dengue, malaria, yellow fever. False answer schistomiasis, leishmaniasis. Greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane. False answer water vapor, nitrogen, oxygen. Routes of direct disease transmission are true answer droplet infection, transplacental transmission, inoculation into skin. False answer fomite borne, airborne transmission. Routes of transmission of disease: direct transmission, indirect transmission. Direct under a direct contact, droplet infection, contact with soil, inoculation into skin, transplacental or vertical. Indirect transmission under a vehicle borne, vector borne, airborne, fomite borne, unclean hands and fingers. Indirect mode of disease transmission are true answer vector borne, droplet nuclei. False answer droplet infection, transplacental, contact with soil. Indirect mode of disease transmission are true answer vector borne, droplet nuclei. House flies transmit. True answer trachoma, anthrax, poliomyelitis. False answer Japanese encephalitis, chikungunya fever. House flies transmit cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, gastroenteritis, amoebiasis, typhoid, paratyphoid fever, helminthic infestation, poliomyelitis, conjunctivitis, trachoma, anthrax. Yes. The following are the waterborne diseases. True answer are poliomyelitis, giardiasis. False answer kala jar, dengue, Wells disease. Which of the following are not a possible effect of exposure to excessive noise? True answer, high blood cholesterol, anosmia. False answer, high blood pressure, deafness, tinnitus. Effects of noise exposure: auditory effect, non-auditory auditory effect, auditory effect and non-auditory effect. Auditory effect হচ্ছে auditory fatigue, deafness. Non-auditory effect, interference with speech, annoyance, efficiency, physiological change, rise of blood pressure, heart rate, breathing, intracranial pressure, increased sweating, giddiness, nausea, fatigue. Economic loss, economic lose. Biological indicators of air pollution are: true answer, fecal streptococci, Clostridium perfringens, coliform organisms. False answer, Entamoeba histolytica, Shigella sonei. Factors not to be considered for selection of insecticide are: false, all answers are false. Effectiveness, manufacture point, cost, residual effect, toxicity.